What's up guys? RC Hobby Steve here. So I went through all my videos, my episodes for this build, and I realized that I never recorded episode 5. Episode 5 being when the lights were completely wired together and lit up for the first time. So as you can see, I have the front lights blinking right now. I do have it on a switch that Manny from LitLed provides as an $8 purchase if you want to turn your lights on and off. So I do have my front lights in, and as well I have my rear lights in. So I do apologize that I didn't record this video. I'm pretty sure I recorded it but accidentally deleted it from my phone, but I was able to route all the wires through the underside of the truck, bend things here and there, zip tie what I needed, and route everything so that way it was nice and clean. The engine bay looks kind of messy, but as soon as I get zip ties, I'm gonna clean that all up. So just real quick, I figured I'd throw the truck on the bench and turn the camera on, because right now I'm in the process of uploading episode 4, and then I went through all the footage and realized this episode wasn't even on there. So yeah, all the lights are working really well. Let's see if I can get this working. Oh, wrong remote. Huh. So there we go. That's 100%. So there we go. This is 100%. And then we have 50 and then 25, and then of course, as you saw, there's the different light modes. And the front and the rears do the same thing, as you can tell. The lights work really good at night. They're nice and bright. I might want to get some other lights to throw on the interior and on the rear, maybe like a small, maybe some like pod lights back here just to shine down to like the back. But I don't know, kind of like it nice like this. But you guys let me know what you guys want to see on this truck, and I'll see what I can do and throw it on. So shout out to Manny at LitLed. Has amazing products, amazing lights. If you want to see what the lights look like before they were thrown in, go ahead and check out episode 4. Episode 4, you'll be able to see what the lights look like before they were mounted in the truck. So there you go, guys. The truck is complete. I took it out today and did a nice first shakedown run, and it did amazing. I really love the way the video came out, all the footage, and all I have to do is edit this video, and then as soon as I'm done editing this video, I have all the footage on my phone, and I just need to put it together on my computer for you guys, and hopefully that will be out by Friday. So thanks guys for stopping by and watching. I'll catch you in the next episode.